I saw this one. YouTube's video player is getting a new look on Android and iOS. Easier to access buttons. It's like a nice little clean overlay. And I know a lot of people complained about the whole thumb up and the thumb down situation. And let me just tell you, we got an entire episode on the topic here on the channel. We had Neil Mohan come on from YouTube and say, hey, here's what we're trying to do. And he said, we're getting rid of the count. We're not getting rid of the button. And people said, sure. If the count is gone, no one's going to use the button. That was the thing that people said. Well, this makes those buttons look very prominent. Like the location of them is almost encouraging to use it. Now, there's no count associated, but I promise you, YouTube does want to get to know you. All the conversations I've had, whether it's through a survey or your thumb, the more they know you, the more they build a profile, the more they know about everyone, and the more they keep you locked on a platform. They don't want to know less about you. So by making the thumb up and down more prominent, again, I know outside of the actual counter, which everybody wants to see, but still, if you use it accordingly, presumably you're going to get more videos in front of you that you want to see. And so I presume that that's why that's there. But either way, the overlay does seem sort of modernized. You see more videos down in the bottom corner in the right-hand side. I guess what else do you have? You don't have those suggestions creeping up anymore into the frame.
Yeah,
taking up
which I found that really annoying.
It's a little bit of a cluttery type of thing.
Yeah, sometimes I would mistakenly swipe up and then it would just bring all the videos up.
Yeah, it happens to the best of us, Will.
It sure does.
It's not your fault. Now, Mo brings up something about resolution.
Yeah, on the Android, you got to go to like 6 different steps to change resolution. Is that changed here?
You're still dead as far as the resolution. You got to hit the 3 dots. Actually, where do you even
Yeah, there's no dots here.
It must be the arrow. No. It must be the arrow in the top left. It must be that. You don't have that on the old player, do you? Go show the old player. No, you don't have it. It must be there. That's probably going to show you more. You're probably going to pick your res. But yeah, the thing about the res, it's a lot of people don't like what happened there. It's too many clicks to get the res that you want, but you know it's a bandwidth thing. The bandwidth through the roof, they're getting killed. And they're trying to be efficient and save people, and for their own sake and for other people's sake. But I would way rather just select the resolution that I want to use. And I don't think I'm alone.